Alright guys, so most of you guys know having problems with my truck sitting back there until mid-May before Fiat Chrysler Ram wants to fix that thing under warranty. So pretty much stuck without a boat for the next month and a half. So we're gonna make the best of it. We got the rods loaded here in the back of Misty's car and we are going pond hopping. Been a while since I've done this. Always enjoy it. It's a super nice day here in Ohio, so that's where we're headed. So stick with us guys, maybe we'll go out and catch them. All right, made it. Figured the water would be all muddy and stuff, but it's really not. Super nice out here. So pond hopping adventure number one. Got Misty here, Prince, brought Prince along.
We're excited.
How you going? All right. So anyway, we're gonna catch the fish hopefully. Got 2 lure lock boxes here stacked with some stuff, some KVD, perfect plastic, some zooms, some 1.5 spinner baits, got some flukes. We're in it, so see what we can do. Water is super clear, this pond here. First one we stopped at, we are going to see what happens. A little shaky head here on the old Zodius with the Stratic CI4 3000 series here. So looks like a pretty good spot. Let's find out what happened. All right, in case you ever wondered what a tackle box spinnerbait looks like underwater, I'm about to show you. These things are phenomenal. Let me turn my camera around and put it in the water here.
Gotta get your arms way up in a cage and set the hook on smallmouth bass, and then you'll understand. Gotta get your hands on a Shimano reel and a jig that's right. I bet you like what you feel. Step on a deck and give it a whirl. Hello and welcome to my world. Well, it's lunchtime and we're waiting in line. We drew boat number 5, that ain't too bad. We're doing 70 miles per hour down the lake. We're driving like we're an hour late. Just hold on tight, buddy, keep it straight. Well, we get to the spot and we shut her down. We fire up a hummingbird to see what's around. There you go.
First one of the year, baby. 2019 season here at the strip mine has just officially opened up. Not a bad one. Guess we'll have to get a photo. First one of the year, right? 3/8 ounce jig with a Paca, tiny Paca crawl trailer. Liked it. One for the year. All right, time for a little bait change here. I'm gonna switch it up on them. Dig in the old lure lock here. First off, there's Prince. What's up, bud? See the stuff I brought. A couple 1.5s, 1.0, a couple jigs, some tungsten lead. Got the old the Fluke Smoking Shad, brand new collar of speed crawls from Zoom called Bourbon Blaze. The old regular green pumpkin purple. And then this is a pretty cool bait that I saw the other day. This is called the Swamp Crawler in Desert Crawl. Looks like a little night crawler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw one of those little flukes on one of these little belly weighted hooks. See what happens. So the thing about this is the water is extremely cold, and I don't think they're moving up yet to spawn. I'd say it's probably low or high 40s right now, early 50s as far as the water temperature goes. That fish I just caught was way out in the middle, throwing this little 3/8 ounce jig, popping it off the bottom, and he nailed it. But I think that's going to be maybe the issue, or maybe the point today is stay off the banks, fish a little deeper water. I don't know how deep this pond is. Probably only 15 foot deep in the very middle. But that one was a lot deeper. I've not seen any fish swimming. I saw one little tiny largemouth just a second ago on shallow enough that I could see it. But up until that, when I got that fish, I was skeptical there was fish even in this pond. Key is just work your baits really slow when it's this cold and they're this lethargic. They don't want to expend a lot of energy to get a meal, so they want to make it worth their time. Cast over in the middle of that. Right out in the center, around that tree if you can. Alright guys, the battery on my GoPro is about to die. I'm not used to not having my Yola-Tech here. I've only got one battery, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off here now so I don't leave you guys hanging. You know, I've been fishing for about an hour or so. Sometimes when life deals you a bad deck of cards, like buying a junk truck, you got to make the best of it. So here it is. I don't have a truck to pull my boat, but me and Misty are making the best of it right here. Pond hopping in the old Wayne National Forest strip mine ponds. Having a good time. Caught one fish so far. Hopefully make more of that. Misty just missed one. We're going to sign off for now. If we catch any more fish here in the next few hours fishing, then I will throw some pictures up. So hopefully there's some more pictures right here. And if not, you know we didn't catch any more. So until next time, guys, appreciate you guys checking out my channel and watching live on Tuesdays on Facebook. I appreciate it very, very much. So also, if you guys don't know, I dropped a brand new single last Thursday. It's been doing really well as far as I can tell. I don't know analytics yet, but if you like country music and you like fishing as much as I do, check out my single called My World. Pretty much anywhere you can buy it. Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, Apple and Google Play are the places that you can buy it. If you want to stream it, Amazon, Spotify, all that stuff is on there. So again, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on another line.